A big China elm tree was cut down yesterday in the front yard of a neighbor's house, and the tree trimmer asked me if I wanted big uh, tree trunk logs to do projects or have fires with, and I accepted them. So, as upon bringing them to my yard, I found out some of the logs were hollow, and they had two baby starlings in them. One of the baby starlings died yesterday. I tried saving its life, but because the tree was being cut, it didn't survive the timber fall. This one fortunately did, and I found it this morning upon more inspection of the hollow trees. So I'm gonna make sure it has a full life and set it free once it's raised.